Hey everyone, Geoffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular mid-range contenders, the Xiaomi 14T and the Vivo V40. Both phones are designed to offer flagship-like performance and impressive camera features at a more affordable price point. We'll break down each category to help you decide which one suits you best. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design, both the Xiaomi 14T and the Vivo V40 offer a sleek, modern aesthetic with their own unique touches. The Xiaomi 14T with a green color boasts a leather back with a flat plastic frame, giving it a premium feel and smudges-free. It comes in multiple finishes that appeal to both subtle and vibrant taste. It builds feel solid and durable, and both phones offers IP68 water and dust resistant, which mostly available only in flagship devices. Vivo, on the other hand, though, delivers a polished look with curved edges, emphasizing comfort and style. The phone is slightly lighter than the Xiaomi 14T, making it a better fit for one-handed use. The Vivo V40 also opts for glass and plastic frame, keeping up in terms of premium build. If you prioritize style and comfort, the Vivo V40's lightweight build and curved edges might suit you better. For a more aesthetic, leather-feeling flat-edged device, the Xiaomi 14T's robust construction takes the edge. Both phones feature displays that are designed to captivate, but there are some technical differences. Equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, the Xiaomi 14T supports a whopping 144Hz refresh rate, providing more smooth scrolling and fast touch responses. The display resolution is high, 1220 by 2712 pixels, a peak brightness of 4000 nits, with vibrant color reproduction and a strong contrast, making it great for watching videos and gaming. Xiaomi has also added HDR10+ supports, enhancing dynamic range in compatible content and with Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. The Vivo V40 features a slightly bigger 6.78-inch AMOLED curved display with slightly higher resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels and also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and animations feel fluid. With HDR10+ supports as well, and with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, which is great when streaming high-quality content. That said, the V40's color tuning leans toward natural tones, appealing to those who prefer a less saturated display. Both displays are impressive, but if higher refresh rate is a priority, Xiaomi 14T takes a slight lead. Moving to what's under the hood, both phones pack serious power for this price. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, with a clock speed of octa-core 2.63 GHz, the Vivo V40 promises efficient and consistent performance, especially for multitasking and mid-range gaming. It's backed by 12GB of RAM, making it smooth for demanding applications. The Vivo V40 also includes two storage options, 256GB and 512, offering plenty of room for files and media. The Xiaomi 14T comes with the MediaTek 8300 Ultra processor, also capable chip in the mid-range category, but it is more higher clock speed of octa-core 3.35 GHz. It can handle graphics-intensive games at max settings, paired with 12GB of RAM and two storage options as well, 256 and 512GB UFS 4.0. For power users or mobile gamers, clearly the Xiaomi 14T's MediaTek chip and higher GPU offer more future-proofing. The Vivo V40 still performs admirably for everyday tasks, but may not be the best choice for heavy gaming or multitasking. In terms of camera capabilities, both devices feature powerful camera setup, with each excelling in different areas. Xiaomi has equipped the 14T with a versatile triple camera setup, featuring a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. The main sensor captures high-resolution images with good dynamic range, especially in well-lit environments. Xiaomi's camera software includes AI features to enhance color accuracy and clarity. Low-light performance is decent, thanks to the large sensor size and software optimization. Vivo's approach focuses on computational photography, with dual camera setup consisting of 50MP primary sensor supported by 50MP ultra-wide. While it lacks the telephoto camera of Xiaomi's 14T, Vivo's software tuning captures natural colors and detail, especially in low-light environments. The V40's ultra-wide lens performs well in retaining clarity across the frame. The Xiaomi 14T stands out for its camera versatility, thanks to an additional telephoto lens, while the Vivo V40 shines in low-light and ultra-wide photography. Your decision may come down to which type of photography you value most. Now, battery life is crucial for these powerful mid-range devices, and both hold up well. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Xiaomi 14T easily lasts a day on moderate use, thanks to power-efficient software and hardware. It supports 67 watts fast charging, which means you can get a full charge in 45 minutes, perfect for those always on the go. The Vivo V40 features a slightly bigger 5500 mAh battery and with a whopping 80 watts fast charging, which is solid. Vivo V40 leads here with a larger battery and fast charging speed, making it ideal for users who need extra endurance throughout the day. So what's the final verdict? To wrap it up, Xiaomi 14T stands out with a more powerful processor, higher refresh rate, more versatile triple camera, and leather flat back design, making it a strong choice for our power users. While the Vivo V40 excels with bigger battery and fast charging speed, delivers great telephoto portrait and low-light photos, curved edges and display, appealing to users who prefer more aesthetics. Alright, that's for today's comparison between Xiaomi 14T and the Vivo V40. Let me know which one you will pick in the comments below. And if you like this kind of tech comparison, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.